I'm going to do a short video on the Chevelle here, just a little update. Put some exhaust on just a little bit. I didn't go too far back. I welded these pipes, one directly onto the header. And it's just a half-assed thing I did. Actually, they sound pretty good, actually. It sounds badass. I'm going to fire it up here for you, so you can hear it. So, my skeleton's in there for the ride here. He's all ready to race. I don't know if it'll start with just the key or not. I had it started earlier. I think it sounds pretty good. It's pretty loud. I have to extend it on back. Get it to quiet down a little bit. It sounds real good. Oh yeah. Does smoke it up in here a little bit. I think it sounds pretty damn good. You know, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to take it on a little further. I'll show you what else I'm going to put on here. Hold on a second here. While I'm passing through, I got this welder a couple of years ago. It's just a small MIG from Eastwood. Really nice MIG. Works quite well. The only thing I don't like is the gas delay it has after you're done welding there a little bit. There's a little delay in the gas cutting off. But I'm going to put these straight pipes on it there. All stainless steel. Run them back. The rest of the way 3-inch. So, where's my workbench here? It's a fucking disaster. And I'm going to buy some pipes and put it over the rear and out the back. I'll put these tips on. Those will be quite nice. And I still didn't use these heads yet. I'm going to, though. It'll be soon. Be real soon. So, running up on the ramps here. I don't have a lift in my garage because, you know, the ceiling's right there. And just don't have the capability. My dad's garage, it's about 100 feet away. It has, well, maybe not even that far away. 50 feet away. He has the lift. But it was raining today and I didn't want to get the judge out. So, and I got new tires coming for the front. keep y'all updated. So if you like it, say so. If not, you can still tell me. I don't care. It's a free country. Say that you fucking hate me and want me to die if you want. I'll just laugh and I'll move on. I'm sure I'll survive. So, alright guys, have a good one. I'll look at yous later. Like, subscribe, comment. Have a good day.